Oh, Ciarte's everyday vacay is certainly more than every day. It gives you really lovely glamorous finishes. I've just amped up my look by adding that more rosy gold and copper on the cheek area. I've actually done more eye work as well with more liner work. You'll see there with the darker shadow, taking it in and taking it closer on the insides of the eye. I've also underlined with the rose gold, going under here and winging it out. So I've underlined with the actual rose gold too. Sneaked a little bit more. Let's go more with the golden highlighter, which is really good because I wear glasses, so I often get marks there. So it's really good as soon as you take your glasses off. And my favorite thing with these shadows is take any of the colors like this one and actually base your lips up and top it with that amazing Pump Plump. Right, my other favorite little trick with this one too is if you take that lovely Ciarte powder, which is so finely milled, really pop it in either side of the nose there, it just stops those wrinkles looking quite so big. Another little great beauty hack. Take the amazing Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow, use a little mascara spoolie and gloss up and tame those brows. Really good if you've got any wiry brows or you just want that more glossy, healthy look to your brow during the summer months or above your sunglasses.